Alright, here we are again, putting some more accessories on the 2025 Ford Maverick with the 4-cylinder turbo. I did not get the hybrid. Anyways, my wife bought these carbon fiber letters for the back directly off of Ford that we're going to put in here. I'm going to prep the area with some alcohol. I already washed the back of it. They cost $59 from Ford. I think you can get them on Amazon cheaper. I'll put a link in the description. So I'm going to prep this real quick with some alcohol and then slap these babies on. I've been delaying doing the project because we are very busy right now. This peels off. And there's tape on the back of the letter. It is very warm out here right now. Probably 90 degrees. I have to go get my other readers. These are 2.0s. I need my 2.5s. I'll be right back. Alright, let's do the easy one first. Oh, this is going to be for my shaky hands. I'm going to have to get my wife out here. Pretty scary. Rick. All right. Last one. He's done. The Maverick. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out.